Okay, this is a little aquarium filter mod. I use the medium-sized ones. I cut little slits on them to get all the activated carbon out because I'm about to medicate my tank. Hopefully all goes well. Okay, here I'll take some flossing material, like $8 at PetSmart, and just stuff each little section, and maybe use ceramic rings in the bottom one since you can't really fit that much of this. See how that goes. Okay, now that I got the polyfill or the flossing material in, use a couple of coarse sponges, cut real thinly. Probably not the most efficient way of doing it, but should work. And then, it should fit on. Oh, okay. That's the back. Have that there. Have this here. Should fit. Then that goes in your aquarium quiet flow or whatever filter you got. Okay, it was a tight fit, but it went in there snugly, but it still went all the way down. There's no overflow. Also had a little one that I kind of just jammed in here for more surface area, I guess. That should work. And now I'm ready for the medication. Okay, I'm taking a look at one of the glow light tetras. See the two? It's got a few white spots on it. And there's another one that's got a few white spots. And we all know ick can be contagious, I guess. So I'm gonna leave all the fish in here, even though I don't think really the only ones I see it on are the glow light tetras. And I only see it on a few of them. But that means that the bacteria has been in here a while. So all my fish are probably infected. Now I took a snail out because I'm using API Super Ick Cure, and I read on forums that it might be bad for snails. But I got a few pond snails in here. You can't see them because they're real small. But they're I don't consider them pests. I won't be too sad if if this kills them, Okay, here we go. It's capped. Okay, so I went under 10 millimeters, which is the recommended dosage for a 10-gallon. Because I'm running my water level a little low, so the frog bit can get a little more light. I actually bought 3 little plants of a guy doing a 1 for 2 or a 1 for 3 sale kind of thing, and that was last week, and they've spread. I got some in another little tank, and hopefully they keep the parameters in check. So I also did a 25% water change. You can notice my water's a little cloudy, but it was like that even before the water change. So I definitely had a bacterial bloom. So hopefully I can get that in check now, and here goes the medication. There we go. So this stuff stains the airline tubing and probably your decorations if they're like lightly colored, I guess. It'll definitely stain the seal on the seal and the little suction cups. I hear get stained. That airline tubing for a narrator I had, or a nair stone, I mean, that'll definitely get stained. But oh well, I guess. And then we have to repeat the process in about 48 hours. And I don't know if you got to do the water change, but I'll probably do a 25, maybe. Or I may just dump a little more liquid in. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully the fish heal. You could definitely see that guy had 2 spots near the fins or on the fins. And you know, there's another one with 2 spots. The neons don't have that on them. But there's one, that one actually, he looks a little pale to me. Compared to the other one, he looks sickly. So, and I have one that always hides near the heater, so I don't know if that's the same one, but you know, hopefully they don't stay too sick. I wanted to record this little bit because this is one of the symptoms, so to speak. They do that little like in place dance, I guess, and all of the glow light tetras are doing it. So all of those little fish were infected. They're brand new to the tank. They're all doing that little in place dance, just like that one right there, the pale one actually. Another pale fish. Hopefully they survive, and you know, I get to keep my fish happy. Well, anyway, that's another thing to look out for.